Hi everyone, I'm a data science and business analytics entrance in April 2021 as a machine learning student called name as Knifecon. Today is the lecture on the fourth project of the Spark Foundation, which is given as assignment work and internship. So this is the ADA analysis terrorism level. It is the intermediate level project. The project is also here mentioned all as a security defense or analyst try to find out the hard zone of terrorism. What are security issues and insights we can drive by ADA exploratory data analysis? So here we use Python language and the Jupyter notebook. So the dataset is also here mentioned global terrorism. You can download it from the given link. I try to provide that link to download it for you. So come to the task here without waste of time. Just go to here, import some main important libraries. So I imported import Plotly. Also pip by using this command used to install it is not provided before. So just import this is also. So I want to drag again. Just import the dataset from the given insight here. So come to here, just run it. It goes to run, import the data, load from the local machine to our Google Lab, our Jupyter notebook. Just find the head of the datasets. This is the head of dataset, and we want to print the column of dataset. These are the columns, and here so data head and its information, its columns we have checked. So the next step is what? Dropping out irrelevant columns which are not dated here, because this problem is what ADA. So I want to drop out non-needed columns, and once again I dropped what about dropped here mentioned, we have mentioned here just print out the head of data set. So here some null values summary shows found. So null values we can remove it. So we check null values by, so checking the dataset information and the summary of dataset is here. You can check about null values, its data type and other. Now we just try to destruct all feature by using this command. Just execute this code. You found some type of outputs, and it's also installed. No need to again install it. Just import it. So once again read, just execute this one, and also goes to just run. It shows what here we had mentioned Khyber Pakhtunkhwa federally administered tribal area are those areas where the terrorists attack. So the data is inside the CSV file, and we get from that. It is not so independent. It is dependent to the dataset from where we print it. So just we try to print the drop the check the number of values from 1970 to what the last date 2017. I hope, yeah, 2017. So just execute the command it shows this one. So terrorist activities each year, every year we can check by using this script. The output shows such type of 1970, such type of, it is not so high terrorist. When in 2013, not in 2014, it goes to high attack here. So it is not so good because of, once again we check the plot by using number of terrorist activities each year. So in 2015 it also goes to high. Terrorist activity by region in each year, we can just check by region. So by region, Australia, Central America, Central Asia, East Asia and other western area. So you can identify by color. We have no more time to describe point to point. We just communicate. It is the communicate type assignment work. So just execute and once again find the head from the year 1982 to 2017. So print the notebook head, this one. What will be happening here? So we just print the country value from Iraq, Pakistan. The most here, according to the data, the most terrorist area in Iraq, then Pakistan, then Afghanistan, then India, Colombia and so on. So we just check country affected by terrorist attacks. Which countries affected? Here top countries affected. First one Iraq, then Pakistan, Afghanistan, India is this one in 2017. So analysis on customized data, we just by using the volume to map out, and I just want to run. You can follow the all given script. So here a map shows, just wait, here, yes, this is a good. You can check here by zoom out it. You found here Mediterranean Sea. Here what? It is unreadable. I hope it is. This is the Turkish language. So we just check where the terrorist attack in which country by using map. So it is also so interesting. Enjoy moment to print such type of values being a entrance. So observation checking, from the book map we can depict that the maximum attacks carried out in the year 2001 was on the African continent, subcontinent as a continent, almost 1325 attacks. Then the continent South America faced the highest number of attacks. So terrorist organization operation in each country. Wow, in each country we just check. Yeah, you can read this. So I had explained all about. You can find this one, just execute this code, and here we found the data set. Just print out, just execute the terrorist groups. These are the terrorist groups: Irish Republic Army IR, Army NPA, and Shining Path SL, for Vendo Malaysia National Liberation Front. FMLN. These are different type of agencies which are working for the spreading the fear and terrorism over the world. So I want to print this region in map. You can also check by map. So this is North Africa. Just zoom out it by using. So these are the Colombia. It is also mentioned in our dataset, and other countries, Brazil, so Cameroon, South Saudia. So just print out it. So global terrorism had the head of the global terrorism. Global means over the world. So it is not a good news about the world society, not a Muslim society. So just find the head of the data sets. So how many the armed assaulted, what this one, assassination by bomb explosion. These are the martyr by killing, different type of attacks. So all these values are given here. You can read. I want to just read up here. This is the final report here. This is the report where all the attacks killed in different type of the highest peak values of the country. The first is Afghanistan, next is Albania, Algeria, and so on. When we plot this, that shows good depiction. So just run this code and observation what sort. From the graph here, this is the graph. You can see this one. The highest point is in red line. In red line shows the Spain, not Spain. It is Sri Lanka. So Sri Lanka is a high point where different type of terrorism. It's not a good news. The next one is the Syria, and after that, what? Somalia. So it is not so good. Just it goes to a small map, and you can check from here. So friends, it is very interesting to calculate by using different type of libraries. You can learn more from here. I also mentioned all